Guys, welcome to SAP German Language Institute. My name is Anand, and in this video, FAQ video, we are going to discuss one question. I'm going to answer one question, that is A1 level German language enough for Germany? Means if you're traveling to Germany, is A1 level enough? Now, this completely depends on, what is the purpose. If you're going there as a tourist, or let's say on spouse visa, dependent visa, then A1 level is enough. If your university is like you're going there for masters, you're studying there in Germany, you're planning to study, then universities decide like what level you need. But there are few universities, they say it is English course and you don't need to learn German language, you can come directly. So without German also you can travel to Germany. If you're looking for jobs in Germany, then A1 level is not enough. You should have minimum A2, and fair, the good enough is B1 level, third level of German language. Yes. So that is for if you're applying for jobs there in Germany. And the rest, even if you're going for as a tourist, then you don't need A1 certificate. For dependent visa, you need A1 certificate. But if you learn A1 and going there as a tourist, it will be quite easy for you, comfortably communicating with localites there, in the shops, in the restaurants, in hotel. This German A1 level knowledge will help you a lot. It will make your journey comfortable. It will make your stay in Germany comfortable, travel within Germany comfortable. It will make. And then for job, I should say minimum B1 level. But A2, on A2 also you may get job. B1 you will get many jobs, or you can communicate with your colleagues, attending meetings, presentations. You will understand what is going on if you know B1 level. So that should be your minimum target if you are planning to work in Germany. B1 level you must complete. Then depends, there are further courses. If you are planning to study in some university and the course is in German language only, medium of education is German, then you need to learn B1 minimum. Some universities demand B2 up to C1 level. For medical courses, so C1 level is minimum. Okay, so this is how different levels you may need in different situations. Next question comes like, my university, some students say that my university doesn't need any A1 certificate or like that. I'm just learning because I'm traveling to Germany. Oh yes, that is good. Your university is not demanding any German language certifications. Your course education, medium of education is English, but if you are studying in Germany, you're staying there for such a long time, then you should learn minimum B1 level, because that will make everything easy for you. Otherwise, most of the people are frustrated that they don't understand what's going on outside, then communicating with other classmates or communicating with the teachers and all that, that becomes challenging all the time. And then they tell their other friends, those who are in India or in their other countries, okay, their home country, then they tell them like, yaar, kuch to German सीख के आ जाओ, like A1 level कर लो कम से कम, A2 level. Then now they are telling others. So I always say that if you are traveling to Germany as a tourist on dependent visa, A1 is enough. If you are planning to work there, B1 level should be minimum. Even if you're traveling there as a student and your university is not demanding any certification, but your aim is to stay there for longer and maybe even get job and stay even after your studies, then in that case also B1 should be your minimum target even before entering in Germany. If time allows and you have enough time, then you must learn up to B1 level, at least A2, and then learn B1 there in Germany. Because when you complete your education and then you apply for jobs, you will be surprised, like, companies are expecting that you should know German, and that too very well. Like, if you have studied in Germany, then you should be fluent in German. And there is another scene also, I tell you. Most of my students, they have told me that when they went there for higher education, masters, and they were able to speak very well, but when other students were there, those who thought like university is not asking for any certification, it is not mandatory, they didn't learn German, and then they were just finding some one from their country, and then just being with that person, like making him as a leader, like, okay, you go anywhere, talk to him, इसको ये पूछना भाई, इसको पूछना प्राइस कितनी है, इसको ऐसा बोल, ये क्या है, वो क्या है. Means all the time they need someone who speaks German. Otherwise, they cannot even move out and they cannot travel. So learn German. If you are going to Germany for any purpose, okay, learn minimum A1 as a tourist dependent visa, job B1, and as a student minimum B1. Okay, I hope I answered the question. Is A1 enough for Germany? Okay, so chalo, see you in our next video then. If you want to learn online or offline, right now in January 2023 we don't have, but very soon we are going to start with offline classes, and online classes you can do here. Okay, you can contact ASAP Institute and start with your courses then. Okay, if you have any other queries, any questions, please mention in the comment box. And if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. We do have exam preparation series also. You should check that series where we prepare you for A1 exam. A2 series also coming soon. So complete A1 exam preparation will be done in that series, and that is free of cost. It is on YouTube only, openly available for everyone. So yeah, check that as well, and many other interesting videos are there. Go through them. There are some subtitle videos, like our German friends have made videos for us so that you can listen and you can learn a lot of vocab with them. So check this YouTube channel, other videos, you will definitely like them. And yep, see you in our next video. Cheers.